Hey there. Thanks for being here with AI Neurosky, where we learn with AI and master the future. Get ready, because 2025 is the year humanoid robots stop being future tech and start entering our world. But who is winning the race to build them? Is it Tesla? Figure? BAAI? Or maybe Unitree? The answer is more surprising than you think. So why is 2025 the big breakthrough year? Three major shifts are happening all at once. First, AI models are becoming smarter than ever before. Second, the hardware needed to build robots is getting cheaper and more powerful. And third, companies are in a frantic race for commercial dominance. For the first time in history, humanoids are ready to walk, see, understand, and work, all on their own, without anyone remote controlling them. 2025 marks the real beginning of the robot workforce era. Let's start with Tesla's Optimus, the king of mass production. Tesla isn't winning because they're the best at robotics. They're winning because of three things: data, factories, and scale. With their massive gigafactories, advanced battery technology, and all the AI training data from millions of cars on the road, Tesla is set up for success. Their expertise in hardware manufacturing means they can produce humanoids at a lower cost and a higher scale than literally anyone else on the planet. So what can we expect Optimus to do in 2025? It'll walk independently, handle objects gently, sort items, and even fold your clothes. It will be able to move boxes and understand simple voice instructions. You see, Tesla's goal isn't perfection right away, it's production. They want to get millions of robots out there, fast. Next up, we have Figure 02, the genius with the brain and the hands. This robot is special because of who's backing it: OpenAI, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Intel. That's a powerhouse team. They're all working together to build the most human-like, general-purpose robot ever seen. And what are Figure 02's strengths? It can understand what you're saying using advanced multimodal AI, which means it sees and hears the world like we do. It can learn new tasks in just minutes, making it perfect for warehouse and factory work. It can handle tools, and most importantly, it can cooperate safely alongside humans. Figure is leading the pack when it comes to raw intelligence and delicate, fine motor control. Now let's turn to China's national AI robot push with BAAI G1. The most incredible thing about BAAI is its development speed. It's the fastest in the world. China is building its humanoids with a focus on low-cost, strong hardware, and incredibly high-performance AI models, all with government-level support. The BAAI G1 is already excellent at maintaining its balance, running, lifting heavy objects, and being aware of its environment. China's goal isn't just to build a few cool robots, it's to deploy them at a massive, national scale. Finally, we have the athlete of the group, Unitree H1. This is, hands down, the fastest and most agile humanoid robot in the world. It can run, jump, recover from a fall, and even balance on one foot with extreme precision. Unitree is built by the same company that makes those popular low-cost robot dogs, so they know a thing or two about agile motion and affordability. Where will we see the Unitree H1? Think security and patrol, search and rescue missions, and dangerous industrial sites. It's also suited for military-grade tasks and high-speed logistics. Unitree completely dominates the world of movement, even if it's not the smartest robot on the block. So, who is the final winner in 2025? The truth is, it's not just one race. There are 4 different winners, each excelling in their own category. Tesla is winning production and scale. Figure is winning intelligence and dexterity. BAAI is winning national deployment and development speed. And Unitree is winning agility and motion. But the real winner? It's humanity. Because soon, these robots will be doing the dangerous, dirty, and dull jobs that we don't want to do. Looking ahead, the future is arriving faster than we think. By 2030, humanoid robots could outnumber factory workers. By 2035, every home might have one. And by 2040, they could become our companions, assistants, and even teachers. The robot future isn't a distant dream. It's starting right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Neurosky, where we learn with AI and master the future.